Hello, this is our garden in Brighton. We wanted to show it to you because we are supposed to be opening for the National Garden Scheme next week to look at our beautiful tulips, but sadly because of present circumstances we won't be opening, so we thought we'd show you our tulips. So we're starting off on this bed here. So we've got some lovely ones here. This rather unusual one here called Monsella. That's a different one to what we would normally grow. Then we have got these peony tulips here. This one's called Brownie, and then we've got this one here, which is a beautiful shape. This is called Abu Hassan. And then we've got, just coming out, we've got those lovely parrot tulips, which are really beautiful on this bed. And we've got lots of wallflowers coming up in between, followed by some alliums, which are just about to pop out. So that's one of our tulip beds. Okay. So these are our main tulip beds here, which is just a mix that we bought as a ready made up mix, and we've just mixed them all together, and we've got this lovely display. It's a burgundy mix, and we've interplanted that with some nice red, blood red erysimums, lovely wallflowers with fantastic fragrance. And then in between that we've planted lots of hardy annuals, cornflowers, amies, things like that to come up once the tulips are over. So this is our big sort of display here. This bed is some of the tulips here have lost their heads, but we've had this has been beautiful. It's going over a bit now. Had a lot of hot weather. So we've got this one here, which is called Friendship. We've got Golden Apple Dawn. We've got some more of these, I think there's a Gavotta, and we've got White Honesty coming up through the tulips, so that's really good. A really lovely display on here. Apple blossom coming out, lots and lots of narcissi, and of course the euphorbias are just splendid at the moment with their lovely, really vibrant heads showing. These are our veg pots over here, which we're cultivating. We've got lots of onions and broad beans, carrots, beetroot. A rather unruly euphorbia. Over here we've got some rather beautiful crab-apples. This is John Downey, Malice John Downey, which we're training into espaliers, which can look rather splendid. Well, they're looking lovely now with the blossom, but they still have some lovely fruits. Over here we've got some lots of narcissi, beautiful white ones over here. And then finally, with our lovely hawthorn hedge that we've just walked through, which we've cut into an arch, these are our herbaceous borders that will be coming up and giving us lots of pleasure in the summer. You can see the tulips from here, they're really shining out up there. So that's our garden. We hope you've enjoyed our trip, and if you want to donate to the National Garden Scheme, they have a Just Giving page, and that would be great. Thank you.